Hi, welcome back to another video. I want to go over in this video the importance of your landing page, your website for driving insurance leads and actually becoming profitable with your marketing spend. Now, this is something that a lot of people don't talk about, and they only talk about, what platforms they're using, what keywords they're bidding on, what platforms they're retargeting on, and all of this stuff that really doesn't actually make much of a difference, because at the end of the day, right now, at this point in time, your marketing is the cheapest it will ever be, which means that the costs of marketing, the costs per click, and the cost of getting attention to your brand is only going to go up at this point. So right now is the cheapest and most efficient time to run ads for your business. So I want to show sort of a hack, a tip, a trick that we're helping our clients with to actually help them generate cheaper leads at a more efficient price. And it is basically the importance of the conversion rate between your landing pages and the ideal outcomes. I'm going to explain over on this whiteboard. So as you can see, just for an example, this is the landing page. So this is where you're driving traffic to. This is like the home page as such for the product that you're running your advertisements to, that you're running traffic and you're running attention to. So this is the landing page. So let's just say, for example, we get 1,000 people to come to your website. This is through marketing, organic, through any other means. Just for an example, let's just say we're running ads. So we're getting 1,000 people to the landing page who are interested, showing interest in the products that you're selling. And per person that basically clicks on the ad, clicks onto your website, is costing £2. So let's just say, so you spend basically £2,000, and so it's £2 cost per click, and then the total spend to acquire 1,000 customers or 1,000 eyeballs basically is £2,000. So the point in this landing page is most of the time you're driving to some sort of contact form, some sort of quote form, submission form, and then that's being driven over to your ideal outcome. So let's just say in this case it's a lead. So the lead being contact information, name, email address, basic information on what it is that they want to insure, and then that is being sent through to a CRM, some API system, an email system, to your call center staff, who are then calling that lead up basically. So let's just say typically how that works. So you spent £2,000, you've acquired 1,000 new eyeballs onto this landing page, and the idea is that you want those to convert to a lead. Now, let's just say, for example, this landing page, so from traffic to landing page to a contact form to becoming a lead, generates a 10% conversion. So let's just say your website is built in a way, the messaging on the website, the offer that you're actually selling, and also the sort of, I suppose the offer is converting at a 10%. So this means for every 1,000 people that come onto the website, 10% of those are being turned into a lead. So with 1,000 people, you've got 100 leads. So you've got 100 leads from spending £2,000, which means that your cost per lead is £20. So at the moment, for every £2,000 you spend, you've got 100 new leads for £20 each. Now this is great, and this actually looks like a fairly reasonable cost at £2 cost per click, but realistically that cost per click on a lot of these other platforms is a lot more than that. In some cases it's less than that. So how do you get cheaper leads? A lot of the people will actually go back to this area here and say, how do we get cheaper traffic? But that's actually one of the worst ways to look at it, because like I said, right now is the cheapest possible time that you can buy traffic for at this moment in time. So you shouldn't be looking at ways to actually generate cheaper traffic. What you should be looking at is how can we convert more of our traffic to our ideal outcome. So let's just say, for example, we make a few amendments to this landing page. We create a better offer, something that's a little bit more enticing. Maybe it's a discount. Maybe it's we guarantee cheapest price or full money back guarantee, or there's some offer that you can actually entice people back. Your landing page looks professional, the website actually works, it speaks to the ideal customer's pain points, there isn't any friction between visiting the page and becoming a lead, and it's a very simple process. People aren't being asked 1,000 questions just to be contacted. It's a very simple process. So let's say we make some amendments to your website, and that 10% conversion actually now is a 20% conversion. Now realistically, a 10 and 20% conversion is the minimum. We typically see our clients generating around about a 20% conversion originally, and then with some consultancy and some sort of ideas that we throw at them their way, we would like to see that go up to around about a 30 to 35% conversion. In some cases, depending on the traffic source, that can be a 40 to 45% conversion. But let's just say for the purpose of this video, you was operating at a 10% conversion, you now get that to a 20% conversion rate. That means just by simply making amendments to the website to convert traffic more optimally, you literally half your cost per lead, which is now £10 per lead, and you haven't done a single thing to your marketing, you've not done a single thing to your messaging in your marketing, you've not tried any other platforms, you've not done anything else other than make amendments to your page, which is beneficial in the long run to generate more traffic and convert traffic more optimally. So that is basically the hack to creating a more lead flow, because as well, also you're not just going to half your lead flow, you're also going to generate more leads. So with the same traffic, instead of getting 100 leads, you're actually going to get 200 leads at a cheaper lead cost. So if you're thinking of ways, if you're currently running any sort of traffic forms, you're running pages to ads, and you're there but you're not quite there, you're generating traffic, you're spending money on these platforms, you're getting eyeballs to the brand, but they're just not converting, or it's just not profitable. The actual issue is not going to be the ads, it's not going to be the platform that you're using. 99.9% of the time it's going to be the landing pages, the messaging on the landing page, the offer, and the actual conversion mechanism to convert people to cheaper leads. And if you can fix that, if you can basically get your conversion rate up, if you can add it a 5%, a 10% on your conversion rate, your lead cost and also your lead flow is going to be radically impacted by that. So I just wanted to share that's a few things that I see quite a lot, and like I said, making these changes to our clients has radically helped them. If you've got any questions on this, drop some comments below, drop me a message over on LinkedIn. Visit my website if it's something that you're interested in working with us, and we can actually help you out with this, drive you more traffic, get you more leads, and get more customers coming to you instead of you having to buy third-party leads and not scale your insurance company. Appreciate you watching. Hope you're all having a great day, and again, tune in with you soon.